Hey guys, this is Cord from Heartland Building Center coming at you with another Milwaukee Monday. For this Monday, we have Milwaukee's PACKOUT M18 2.5 gallon wet and dry vacuum. Like I said in the last video, PACKOUT is Milwaukee's solution for being able to transport tools to and from the job site. And this is no exception. It works on all their PACKOUT line, and it's really slick in that way. So this is a wet and dry vacuum, so you can suck up water and dirt or whatever you have at the job site that you need to tackle. Has a collapsible handle, has a hose that's locked inside of it, so that way you're not having to mess with wrapping hoses around the vacuum and them getting tangled up and everything like that. So that's a really nice feature. When I click these open, there's actually a storage little container here that has a couple tools that Milwaukee includes with it. And then also in here, you'll see the battery port, and that's where we're going to be putting the battery in. So when I put the battery in here, Milwaukee claims that this vacuum will do 30 minutes on high and 50 minutes on low setting with an 8.0 battery, so it's got plenty of run time. If I go over here, this is my on and off, and then it has an unlock feature for the hose. If you need to switch it for the suction or the exhaust, or if you have something clogged in your hose, you can take it off really easily. So in front of me, I got a little bit of dirt. We're doing this infomercial style. So I'll turn this on. Milwaukee says that this is 87 decibels on high, so it's plenty quiet for, you know, in a home if you're cleaning up a mess at the end of a job. A lot quieter than any other normal shop vac. So I'll turn it on here and kind of just show you the suction power of this thing. So as you can see, it's got plenty of power to tackle dirt, rocks, whatever you have to clean up at the job site. This thing is really slick, it's really portable, it's really convenient because it's cordless. And again, Milwaukee's made a great tool here. We do have this in stock at Hayes and Stockton. Like always, if you guys want to check it out, stop by and we got it. Thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and also make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube. Hit the notification bell. It just alerts you whenever we post new videos. Also, comment on Facebook or YouTube which tool you want to see me do next, and be entered into a giveaway where you get a free Milwaukee 5.0 M18 battery, and also your choice of any color of the hats that we have. We love to hear you guys' comments. We love to see you guys' interactions on our videos, so make sure to subscribe and follow, and we'll see you next time.